It's a cheery morning in Toyland, and Noddy has decided to visit Tessie Bear and Bumpy Dog.
Good morning, Tessie Bear.
Oh, hello, Noddy.
What's wrong? You look sad.
I was supposed to go on a trip, but now I can't go.
Why not, Tessie Bear?
Well, I can't take Bumpy Dog with me on the trip, but I can't leave him here by himself either. And there's no one to look after him if I do go. So I can't go, and that's why I'm sad.
I know. I can look after Bumpy Dog for you, Tessie Bear. It'll be easy.
Well, thank you, Noddy. But looking after Bumpy Dog isn't as easy as you think, you know.
Oh, it's no problem. I'm sure Bumpy won't give me a lick of trouble. Whoa! In fact, I'm probably the best pet sitter in the world.
But Bumpy Dog can really get into mischief, Noddy.
Oh, Bumpy will be extra good with me. You watch.
Well, all right. And thank you, Noddy. Please take good care of him.
Don't worry about a thing, Tessie Bear. This won't be any problem at all. Have a good trip.
I will. Bye!
See? Bumpy's being good already. He won't give me any trouble. You're going to be good for me, aren't you, Bumpy Dog? No, Bumpy Dog, don't go back there. Please sit up here where I can keep an eye on you. Yes, thank you for listening, Bumpy Dog. Stop, Bumpy! I can't see where I'm going. Whoa! This won't do at all, Bumpy Dog. How am I going to get us home in one piece? This ought to keep you out of trouble until we get home. A pet can be so funny. It's nice to have a pet. A pet will bring you happiness. A pet is good to get. A pet is always loyal. It's nice to have a pet. I'll treat my pet with love and I am sure he won't forget. See, Bumpy Dog? That trip wasn't so hard, was it? Now welcome to my house for one. Whoa! No, Bumpy Dog. You mustn't jump on anyone. Understand? No, you don't jump on chairs either. You don't jump on anything. Understand? Now, Bumpy Dog, you stay right here while I go out to the car and get your food. I knew Bumpy wasn't going to be any trouble. Bumpy, what have you done? I was only gone 2 seconds. You knocked over everything in my house except me. Whoa! I thought it would be easier than this. Go and lie down, Bumpy, while I clean up this mess. Oh, this is going to take me all night. Whew. Ah, done. Good boy, Bumpy. I was afraid you'd mess up the house while I was cleaning, but you were being good, weren't you? Bumpy? Bumpy? Oh no! He's gone! He must have jumped out the window while I was working. I've got to find him, or Tessie will be angry with me. Dinah! Have you seen Bumpy Dog?
I don't know where Bumpy is now, but I know he's been here. Look, he broke one of my favourite teacups.
Oh dear, I'm sorry, Dinah doll. But don't worry, I'll fix it. I will. See? Good as new. Now I've got to find Bumpy Dog before he gets into more mischief. Sorry again about the teacup, Dinah. Oh dear, where could Bumpy Dog have gone? I've just got to find him.
Get out of here!
Whoa!
Oh, my Noddy! Are you all right?
Yes, I just slipped in. Ice cream? Miss Pink Cat, have you seen Bumpy Dog?
I most certainly have. That dog was just here, knocking ice cream on the ground and licking it. Now who is going to pay for all of my ruined ice cream?
Well, I'm looking after Bumpy Dog today, so here, this should pay for all the ice cream he ate. Now, can you tell me where he went?
He ran across the town square over to Mr. Sparks' garage. Good luck catching that troublemaker, Noddy.
Mr. Sparks! Mr. Sparks! Have you seen Bumpy Dog?
Oh, I certainly have. He knocked over an oil can, Noddy, and then ran through the oil and got it everywhere.
Oh dear, I'm sorry, Mr. Sparks. I need to find Bumpy, but let me help you clean up first. Phew. Well, that's finally done. Where are you, Bumpy Dog? Come back! Come back! I know. I'll ask Mr. Plod. Mr. Plod, have you seen Bumpy Dog? I can't find him anywhere.
Why are you looking for him, Noddy?
I'm looking after him for Tessie Bear. I thought I'd be the best pet sitter in the world, but Bumpy is really hard to look after. He knocks into everything and he makes a mess everywhere.
Well, I suppose that's why he's called Bumpy Dog.
But Tessie Bear is going to be angry with me if I can't find him.
I know where Bumpy Dog is.
You do?
Yes, he's in jail.
Jail? Oh no! Why? What's Bumpy Dog done now?
Don't worry, Noddy. He hasn't done anything terrible. I just put him there to keep him out of harm's way until someone came to fetch him.
But Tessie's going to be back any minute, Mr. Plod, and Bumpy's in jail.
Come on, Noddy. Let's go get him out of jail. I think he's done enough mischief for one day.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Plod.
Noddy! Bumpy Dog! I'm back! Where is everybody? Everything's perfect. I guess I was wrong. Taking care of Bumpy Dog was an easy job after all.